What's up, you guys? I'm Monica with weekendwarriortx.com, and today I'm going to be taking over Locally Us's stories, so stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you what I do and how I do it. So, for those of you that don't know, hold on, sorry, I'm like trying to figure this out. There we go. So for those of you that don't know, I am featured in the Locally Us subscription box this season, and my item is the La Loma crystal bullet necklaces, and I make them here. This is where I make them. This is part of my, there we go. This is our workshop, me and my husband. It's our garage. We use it just to make things. He likes to make like beef jerky, and he made the shutters for our house. And I like to just do everything for my store pretty much happens in here. You can see my heat press there. So pretty much all the dirty work goes on out here. The painting, the soldering, electro-forming, drilling, which I do with the bullet necklaces, and I'm going to show you more, so check it out. This is where I pick the bullets from. I have a lot of bullets that I've just been collecting over the years, and I put all sorts of types of gemstones in them. Got crystal quartz, rose quartz, aventurine, and then you can see different colors of bullets: gold, silver. These are my gemstones over here. That's what we're gonna use. So we're gonna drill a hole into this guy. Okay guys, so I don't know about you, but I take my work very seriously, and I wear these geeky glasses to protect my eyes, and you should too if you do try this later. If you have a mask, I would also wear that because there's like dust particles. Although I cannot find my masks and I need to buy more, so for now, at least wear these. I've had these slip out, and I would hate for it to pop you in the eye. Okay, this is the bullet that we're going to be using. So here, set it to my size. I would recommend getting one of these to hold your bullet. I forget what they're called, but ready? The bullet drill. You see that little guy? I'm gonna pick your gemstone. I have all these gemstones here, and I have a lot of rose quartz from the project that I just did with Locally Us. Yeah, I would probably pick a longer gemstone with this one, something like this. You just pick your gemstone, put it in the bullet, whichever bullet casing that you want. Then you can just glue them in there. You're ready to go. This is my favorite one with quartz. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Let's go cruising to the park. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed me taking over the Instagram stories on Locally Us's page. If you're tired of me yet, swipe away. And if you're not, well, you can follow me at weekendwarriortx. I will put it down right here. And you can also check out my website. It's weekendwarriortx.com. You guys, follow me, check out my store, weekendwarriortx.com, and don't forget to purchase your Locally Us subscription box. The Austin, Texas theme, oh my god, it is like super cute, and not only are you supporting handmade artists, you're supporting women, you're supporting women creators and women business owners, and breast cancer too. So get it, Locally Us. Locally Us. I would love to stay and chat with you guys all day long. Like, I could seriously hang out with you guys all day long. You guys have been awesome, but honestly, I'm a little bit sick, and I have to go and drink my tea and be a mom. And okay, guys, peace out.